Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. So today the topic for our learning is removing the background from an image. We can also change the background of our image using the same website. Let's start. So for removing the background from any picture, first of all you need to visit to a website known as removebg, that is background.com. Okay, so here is this website. The advantage of this website is that you need not create any account here or log in here, sign up. That is purely optional. You can also do all the things for the free. Okay, now this is asking me for upload image. You can upload any image for which you want to remove the background. Okay, so here it's showing me the image results. For example, I want to remove the background of this image. See, so I have got this image and the background has been already removed. So if I want to simply remove the background and get this plain picture, I can download the picture from here, standard and HD version. But if I want to create some other background here, that option too I have. We will go to this edit. Now see here, we have a plethora of backgrounds here we can choose from. See, okay, so this is like if I want to add this background, see how beautiful it is looking. Then I can use this background. Okay, whichever suits you the most, you can try with all these backgrounds. See here, this or this. See, whichever seems very much real for you or works for you, you can simply create that background, and after you have created, you can download from here the picture. Alright, now if I want a plain background, colored plain background, okay, so here we have those options as well. For example, if I want to use green screen or a blue screen behind, or this pink or pinkish background, or this checks which we were having earlier, or a plain white background, see, or this color which you can choose from. Okay, this color palette we are having, so we can choose from here as well. Next we have this option of blurring the background as well. For example, this was the original picture. Okay, this is my original picture and I have removed the background, so I can also make the background blurry. So the intensity of the blur is given here. See, we can remove or we can totally remove this background. See, I have created another background, or I have shown you. The next option we have is we can also insert the picture we want as a background. For example, see, I have this another picture from, say, downloads. Okay, I want to create this background. All right, so this also I can do. I have inserted this background, so this is from my gallery, I have inserted it. Next, the other thing is we can restore also whatever we want, and we can erase if there is, like, if the this picture is not very precise. See, I will show you. I have taken eraser and this is the brush size of eraser. Okay, bigger, smaller, however you want. So I am keeping it like this and I have removed this. See, okay, so this is how I can use the eraser to remove unwanted thing from the background, from the picture. Also I can restore it. So here I have restored it as well. And now if I want that this is perfect for me, I can download. Here also I can change the intensity of blur. See, I can change the intensity of blur, and there is a lot of pictures I can select from to change the background. So this is how we can change, and now I can simply download this picture. Here it will download and save wherever I want to save this picture. See, it has been downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful and interesting for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with a new topic soon. Bye bye.